Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Have you noticed this? Some people struggle financially for years, then suddenly, they never struggle again. Not because they work harder, but because they locked a position. Today I introduce a brand new framework. Fire the financial position lock. This explains how income becomes predictable, repeatable, and stable once the right financial position is secured. Medium white star section 1. What is a financial position? A financial position is where you stand in the money ecosystem, the problems you solve, the audience you serve, the value you control, the leverage you hold. Money flows to positions, not effort. Medium white star section 2. WHY. Most people never lock a position because they crossmark chase income instead of position. Crossmark jump industries. Too often crossmark never specialize. Crossmark avoid ownership. Crossmark avoid visibility. Without position, income is temporary. Medium white star section 3. The 4 financial positions. Position 1. Labor position, paid for time, replaceable income. Fragile position 2. Skill position, paid for problem solving, higher income, still dependent on effort. Gear position 3. System position, owns processes, income repeats, scalable. Classical building. Position 4. Control position, locked, owns audience, platform, or IP. Sets prices, income predictable. This is where struggle ends. Medium white star section 4. How to lock your financial position. Keycap 1. Choose one problem you solve exceptionally. Keycap 2. Build authority around it publicly. Keycap 3. Package solutions into systems. Keycap 4. Own distribution, audience, platform, list. Keycap 5. Protect position with consistency. Once locked, income becomes structural. Medium white star section 5. Signs you've locked a position. White heavy checkmark. Income repeats monthly. White heavy checkmark. Opportunities come to you. White heavy checkmark. Prices increase without resistance. White heavy checkmark. Stress decreases. White heavy checkmark. Wealth compounds calmly. Bullseye. Conclusion. Struggle ends not when you hustle harder, but when you lock position. Secure your place in the economy.